Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove hard-coded subtitles like this. And it's super easy, only need a few clicks. I don't waste your time, let's dive in. Step 1, open HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I've left the link in the description below. Step 2, remove subtitles. Once you open Edimakor, click Remove or Watermark. If you don't find it here, just head over to Toolbox, AI Tools, and you'll find it there. Now you can see it opens a new window which allows you to upload your video or photo. Quick reminder, for videos, the maximum video duration is 1 hour, and you can only upload up to 10 videos at once. Now upload your video. Select Remove Subtitles, and adjust the box so it fully covers all the subtitles. Then just hit Remove. Wait for it to process, and once it's done, you can click the folder icon to locate the file, or hit the play button to check the results right away. Hi everyone, and welcome. In this video, and that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, or want to see more videos like this, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.